Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of data on the application of Facebook. Here we go to settings. Here you can go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Facebook app and you can click here. In this page of app info we click on first stop and you can click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you can click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.